Let me show you here. Satellite and radar. That's not snow. Those are clouds. Because it's in the 70s, just high, thin clouds now. But here's we have the cap here in North Texas, and it's time to brush up on that term because guess what? You're going to be hearing it a lot in the next, let's see, it's March. So you have March, April, May, the next several months, right? Severe weather season, we're kind of entering that now. The cap is that layer of warm air aloft that prevents thunderstorms from erupting. We're going to have that in place tomorrow. However, late tomorrow night, watch what happens. We get to 7 p.m. That's still in place. It'll erode in some spots, and the coverage of thunderstorms, if they can get going, will be very limited. Mainly south. This would be the area that could pop them up, and mainly to the east of the Metroplex. Watch, this is 7. It's not much. You see, there it is right there. See, look, maybe a couple thunderstorms late tomorrow night into early Tuesday, especially east of the Metroplex. So right now, the Dallas-Fort Worth area and most of North Texas included in the level 1 marginal risk on a 1 to 5 scale. It's the lowest you can go. For if a thunderstorm can develop tomorrow and overcome the cap, quarter-size hail, 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts would be possible in that thunderstorm. But remember, the coverage will be exceptionally low. So most of North Texas, 95, or let's say 90% of you will stay dry. You'll be very lucky if you get under one of those thunderstorms, or unlucky if it's strong enough. Now, Tuesday, we are mostly dry across North Texas. There could be a little bit of rain in our very far northeastern counties here Tuesday afternoon. Wednesday, that's when we start to introduce a little bit of a better chance. Wednesday night going into Thursday, a more significant system will start to roll through. It'll have more moisture to work with. It'll bring a lot more rain into the area. So this is 7 o'clock in the morning. Look at the coverage compared to those last couple of chances. 60% coverage Thursday. That's 7 a.m. Fairly widespread showers and storms. We'll watch this carefully, in the days to come. But that late afternoon, evening chance of rain and thunderstorms maybe bring some gusty winds or some hail with it. So right now, we'll just call it a low-end risk for severe weather. Then Friday morning, a little bit of rain to the southeast of the Metroplex. So we have several chances of rain this week. A vast majority of it's going to fall Thursday. So maybe ½ inch to 1 inch of rain across most of North Texas. Some isolated higher totals in eastern portions of the area and lower totals to the west. High temperatures stay well above normal. Hard to remember, I think, because it's been so warm. The normals are in the middle 60s. We're going to be in the 80s tomorrow and Tuesday, upper 70s Wednesday, and our little cool down Thursday, Friday into the lower 70s. It actually gets cooler for the following weekend. Tonight, 64. Clouds increase, dry, mild, and breezy. Tomorrow, isolated thunderstorms late. Remember, most will not see a drop of rain tomorrow. Better chance of rain Thursday. Look at the weekend cool down. 62 on Saturday, Sunday 68. That's when we spring forward an hour. And look, 3 Mavs games, Teresa, March 11th, March 13th, and March 17th. That's St. Patrick's Day right here on WFAA. And it looks just very springy over the next 2 weeks.
It does. I see a lot of lightning strikes on there, and I see the Go Vote sticker on Tuesday.
Yes, and the little dancing St. Patrick.
And the leprechaun, of course.
Yeah, leprechaun, not St. Patrick.
Forecast.
Yeah, there you go.
All right, Jesse, thank you.